Any excess body fat is harmful to your health, but visceral fat is more likely to increase your risk for significant medical problems than the fat that is found just below your skin. Subcutaneous fat. Several diseases are closely associated with having too much body fat, including heart disease, Alzheimer's, type 2 diabetes, stroke, and high cholesterol. Visceral fat is a form of fat that surrounds your organs and is located deep within the abdominal walls. Visceral fat can protect your organs, and in certain quantities, it's good. But excessive visceral fat can be harmful to your health. Visceral fat is occasionally referred to as active fat since it actively influences how your body operates. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the worst type of body fat and how to get rid of them. Before we begin, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video to help get more views. Now let's begin. 1. Shrink your portion sizes. In a study, popular diets like those with a lot of dairy, stomach exercises, and low calories were compared. The low-calorie diet performed the best out of the three, with subjects reporting a 12% decrease in visceral fat and a 5% decrease in total body fat. Participants restricted snacking and controlled portions by using their hands and fingers as measuring devices. 2. Eat a healthy diet. Lean proteins, whole grains, low-fat dairy, fruits, and vegetables are all components of a nutritious diet. Limit your intake of processed foods, trans fats, refined sugars, and sodium. By teaching your body to burn fat as fuel rather than carbohydrates, low-carb diets like the ketogenic keto diet can help reduce visceral fat. 3. Opt for whole grains. A diet low in calories and high in whole grains greatly reduced belly fat. This is partially because refined grains tend to make you feel less satisfied and may affect blood sugar levels, which in turn affects appetite control. 4. Reduce your stress. Your body releases cortisol when you are under stress. Your body's fight or flight reaction is triggered by increased cortisol, which causes your body to store more visceral fat. If you want to reduce your stress, try yoga or meditation. 5. Don't forget fiber. Eating 10 grams of soluble fiber per day reduced visceral fat by 3.7%. When it enters your tongue, soluble fiber transforms into a gel-like consistency that helps you feel full while also preventing the absorption of cholesterol. To prevent your digestion from going into overdrive, gradually incorporate fiber into your diet. Grains like oats and rye, fruit like apples and bananas, legumes and pulses all contain soluble fiber. 6. Exercise. At least 30 minutes of exercise per day should be your goal. Strength training or aerobics might be a part of this. High-intensity interval training is a well-liked exercise height. Intense exertion bursts are interspersed with brief periods of rest during height workouts. Height provides both resistance and aerobic exercise, which helps hasten the fat-burning process. That's it for today, folks. If we left out any type of body fat and how to get rid of them, kindly share them with us in the comments. Bye for now.